Wow, what an amazing performance by all the participants in round two. Sorry for a kind of technical issue, for the delay, and I welcome you all for the final round. Now, finally, we all have reached the crucial stage of our event. This is the final round, the Wheel of Fortune. We all our five finalists with us. Here's the Wheel of Fortune on your screen. Please, I request everyone to pin Jayesh Shinde's screen. Here's the wheel, all our five finalists, and of course, me, your host. So let's start. First of all the finalists are requested to switch off on their cameras. I expect all the five participants should switch on their cameras. I guess one of it is not now. With Neha, I guess. Okay, let me explain you the rules. Here we will spin this wheel of fortune for you. It will select a theme, and I will ask you if you are comfortable with it or not. I'll ask the question accordingly based on that particular theme. In case you are not comfortable with the theme, you will be provided one chance to spin the wheel again. But remember, if you choose to spin the wheel again, and I'll give you that theme only. You can't return back to the previous theme or have a chance to spin the wheel again. So choose wisely. Once I ask you the question, there's no source you can change the question. I'll ask the question twice. You have to answer it within 30 seconds. You have to answer correctly. If not, you will be eliminated from the round. I'll ask everyone the question one by one. So let's start. And our first question goes for Omkar Satose. Okay, let's spin the wheel. Okay. And the wheel has to say. Okay. The first question will be based on entertainment. It means you will be asked a question regarding any movie or series. Are you comfortable with the theme?
No.
Okay, should we change it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, remember if you spin it again, you don't have a chance to come back here again. Okay? Okay, spin the wheel again,
Yes.
please, Jayesh. The wheel says emoji speaks. Here I'll give you a set of emojis and you have to guess the word. I'll give you a hint whether it's a song or movie or anything and you have to guess it. Okay? So please I request to display the first question for the emoji round. Yes. This is your question and this is a song. Please guess it. And your timer starts now.
Tuta, 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 dil. Which Marathi, Hindi, English? Which?
It's a Hindi song. Okay, your timer is on. Please answer the question as soon as possible. Okay, Omkar, your time's up. Sorry, better luck next time. You are out of the round. Let me tell you the answer. The name is Tuta Tuta Ek Parinda Aise Tuta. Okay, do you get it now?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, better
Thank
luck
you.
next time. Okay, so next one is Omkar Mohite.
Yes.
So let's spin the wheel. Hello, Jayesh. Please spin the wheel. Okay, so let's see what Omkar gets from the wheel. Okay, again it's entertainment. Omkar, are you comfortable with the theme
Sure. Yes.
regarding movies and series? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So here's your first question from this team. Okay, the question is, what is the capital of Kenya and also a character from the famous Netflix series Money Heist? I repeat the question. What is the capital of Kenya and the name of character from the famous series Money Heist? Your options are Denver, Helsinki, Nairobi, and Berlin. Okay, I repeat the options. Denver, Helsinki, Nairobi, and Berlin.
Nairobi.
Okay, we have got the answer. And yes, it's absolutely a right answer. So next is Siddhant V.
Yeah.
So I've got the theme named What's New. Let me explain you. It will have current affairs right now going on. Are you comfortable with it? Should I ask you the question?
Let's spin it again.
Okay, let's spin it again. Jayesh? Okay. Okay, you have the option again. Emoji speaks. Okay, so let's try the second question from this team. Okay, this is a tagline of a famous brand. You have to tell the tagline as well as the name of the brand.
Mentos दिमाग की बढ़ती जला.
Yes, absolutely a right answer. Congratulations, Siddhant.
Thanks.
Now next is Neha V.
Yes.
Yes, let's spin the wheel for you. Okay, Neha, you have got a theme name Ye Mera India. In this, we would ask you the questions India specific regarding any kind of geographical or historical details about our country. Are you comfortable?
Spin it again.
Okay, let's spin it again. Hello. Okay, here we have the second question from the entertainment theme. And the question is, name the magazine the television series TMKOC is based on. The column name was Duniya Ne Onda Chashma. Name the magazine from which it belonged. And your options are Chitralekha, Abhiyan, Sadhana, and Navneet. I repeat the options again. Chitralekha, Abhiyan, Sadhana, and Navneet.
Chitralekha.
Okay, yes, that's absolutely a right answer.
Thank you.
And next, the one who was first in the second round, Siddharth Shingte.
Yes.
Okay. Jayesh, please spin the wheel for him. Okay, Siddharth, you are having Ye Mera India theme. Are you comfortable with me asking you a question regarding India, history or geographical?
Yes.
Okay. So here we have the first question from the theme, Ye Mera India. The question comes, Duncan Pass is located in which of the following union territories or states? Okay, I repeat the question.
Can you repeat?
Yes, I'm repeating. The question is Duncan Pass, Duncan, Duncan Pass is located in which of the following union territories or states? And your options are Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Andaman and Nicobar, and Mizoram. I repeat the options Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Andaman and Nicobar, and Mizoram.
Sikkim.
Okay. Are you confirmed?
Yes.
Sikkim? Okay. Please stop the timer. And I'm really sorry. The answer was Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's located between both of the islands. So better luck next time. So now we have the top 3 performers of the quiz, and one of you is going to be the
Just
winner.
a second. So we have now top 3, and we completely trust you. Just an announcement that please play sportingly. We have full trust on you. So all the
Yes.
best, top 3 contestants. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So now again, let's start with Omkar Mohite.
Yes.
Let's spin the wheel. Okay, you have the theme Ye Mera India. Should you continue?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. In Ye Mera India, here comes the second question from Ye Mera India. After returning from South Africa, which among the following was the first successful satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi? I repeat the question. After returning from South Africa, which was the first successful satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi? And your options are Chauri Chaura, Dandi, Champaran, or Bardoli. I'm repeating the options. Chauri Chaura, Dandi, Champaran, or Bardoli.
Second option.
Dandi.
Yes.
Okay, please stop the timer. Okay, I'm really sorry, Omkar, but the answer was Champaran. The satyagraha at Champaran was the first successful satyagraha after returning from South Africa by our respected Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so now we have our top 2 contestants. Please put your hands together for them. And now they will play the secret round, which was not revealed at the time of announcement of the competition. Now I tell you about it. Jayesh, please stop the wheel. Okay, here we have 2 of you. Please, both of you switch on your mics. Here we will show you one photograph.
Okay.
You have to identify that personality. And one of you who identifies is the winner of this whole contest. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's begin. Jayesh, I request you to please reveal the photograph for our secret round. And the final one to decide the winner, the genius wizard of DMC.
Hello. So there is some power cut issue. Who
Yes.
was our presenter, Jayesh Shinde. So just wait for a couple of minutes. We will get back to you soon. So it's time for our final round. Our presenter Jayesh will present you the screen, and for 10 seconds you will see the picture of that famous personality, and after that the screen will shift to 10 seconds timer, and in 10 seconds you will have to guess whose
Yes.
personality, who is that personality. So all the best.
So do we do hands? Sorry, but do we do hands up or how do we buzz in?
If
If you know,
will
you
be,
speak out it immediately.
you'll speak out immediately if you know that personality. You don't have to wait for timer.
Okay.
You just
Keep your
speak out
mics
immediately,
on.
and whoever will did that first will win. That's means a type of rapid fire or lightning round.
Rapid fire round for you.
म्हणजे,
Okay. The picture will be
okay, the
displayed
picture
shortly.
will be shown to you shortly. So be ready with your eyes steady. All the best.
Thanks.
Okay. And the picture is in front of you.
Timer has started. So both of you, if anyone has guessed the first, will win.
Please tell us if any one of you remember or know who she is.
What if both of us don't answer?
Then,
We do have
then we
another.
will
We will
get back
change
to
the
next
question.
picture.
Yes.
Don't worry. But you have to answer at some point.
Yes.
Yeah, so
It
wrong
is-
answer goes right.
Huh?
Wrong answer goes right.
Yes. Yes.
So time out for
Okay.
that
So
one.
the first question is the timer's up, and both of you are not able to answer. We'll give you another question. Don't worry about it.
Before that,
But the
Siddhi, can you
answer
announce
was-
answer? Yes.
Yes, the answer for it was Babita Shivdasani. After marriage, her name was Babita Kapoor. She is the wife of Randhir Kapoor, the famous actor. She was herself a famous actress in Bollywood as well, and the mother of two famous actresses of Bollywood, that is Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor Khan. So, okay, best of luck for the next question. Jesh, please display the second photograph.
Mohammad Azharuddin.
Any
Sorry?
answers from you, Neha?
So Neha, he has guessed one. If you
Yes.
guess it right, then you will be ultimate winner. But if you guess this wrong, we will have to show the third one. So you have
Third
to
one,
guess.
yes.
Sorry,
has-
actually, I don't know.
So you are giving up.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, Siddhant, but the answer was not Mohammad Azharuddin. The answer is Ajit Wadekar. He was also a cricket person only, but he's not Mohammad Azharuddin. Okay. So now we have the third and the final question for both of you. He's a really famous personality. You might have heard of him a lot before.
GC Bose.
Neha, any answers from you?
Okay, that's wrong then.
Okay, you could try again once again to answer it. No issues with it.
No, actually, Didi. No, not from my side.
Okay, Siddhant, any another answer from you?
Okay.
Guys, guess randomly.
You would like to play another round? Extremely
Like he
sorry for
looks
that.
like an actor. He has eyes of an actor, but no idea of black and white era.
Okay, yes, should I reveal the answer now for this as well?
Please.
Vikram.
Yes, reveal the answer, please.
Okay, he was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of Indian Space Research Program. So yes, it's definitely, we all have heard about him a lot through our textbooks and various kinds of internet, and also about ISRO we all know. So yes, it's no doubt that we haven't heard of him, but by chance I guess you haven't seen any photograph of him, so it was very difficult for you to answer.
Actually, it's this meeting has twist for you and ourselves also.
Yes,
because
yes,
again we have
also.
to go back to the round of wheel.
Yes, we have
And-
to start again with the wheel.
Yes, wheel. And if
The
this
two
is
of
now the
you-
ultimate one. You will get only 10 seconds to give the answer now, not 30 seconds. And if you give it right, you are winner. First chance will go to Siddharth, as he at least tried to guess. So Siddharth, you will get first chance. If you couldn't answer, the question will pass immediately to Neha, and if Neha
Neha.
answers the right one, she will be the winner. And if you get right answer, then another section question will be asked to Neha, and if she fails, because this time you don't get chance to spin the wheel
Yes,
again.
you both
That's
deserve
depend
the
on
chance
upon
to
your
answer
luck.
the question.
So if Siddhant gives right and Neha in another section she fails to answer, Siddhant will be the winner. If Siddhant fails and Neha gives, Neha will be the winner. Timer will be of 10 seconds. So we will start. So good luck.
Okay, so I request Jayesh Shinde to move back again to the wheel screen, and let's again begin with the round, the wheel of fortune.
Also, this will not be MCQ round. Only question will be asked to you. No options. You will have to get the answer
Yes,
right.
you
And
have
only
to
10
get
seconds. you
chance
will.
about it. After all,
Okay.
it's the final round for you
So
both.
Jayesh, please again we'll go back to wheel.
Yes, we will again go back to the wheel.
Should I start spinning?
Yes, definitely spin the wheel and let us know what the wheel says for the final
First will
round.
be Siddhant. So
Yes,
Siddhant, be ready.
Siddhant will answer first, as he at least tried to answer the questions in the previous round. Okay, again entertainment, favorite of all of us. So, the question comes as: name the Bengali detective which was played by late Sushant Singh Rajput. I repeat the question: name the Bengali detective played by late Sushant Singh Rajput.
Byomkesh Bakshi.
Yes, absolutely the right answer. And okay, congratulations.
Congratulations, Siddhant. I believe you are in safe zone now. Now the wheel will
Yes,
be
now
again
the
be
question-
spin, but for Neha.
For
And
Neha.
Neha, same rules apply to you. You won't get chance to spin wheel again. Only 10 seconds and no
Yes,
options.
and you
so
have to answer
good
the
luck.
question.
If you get it wrong, Siddhant will be winner.
Yes, because he has answered already the question correctly.
Emojis.
Okay, emoji speaks. I request Jayesh to present the question regarding emoji. Neha, this is a name of movie. Guess it. Okay,
I
Jayesh,
think
please.
this
Yes, Jayesh will be sharing it. Yes, this is the name of a Bollywood movie.
Bollywood movie.
Yes, yes.
Fine.
Just 5 more seconds. Only 10 seconds. It was 5, 4.
Light.
Okay, we'll start. 8, 7, 6. Jay,
5,
Siddhant in pressure.
2, 1. Oh.
What was that?
Okay,
Yes.
the answer was Parmanu.
Congrats. Parmanu.
Yes, the answer was
Siddhant,
Parmanu.
Nice.
congrats for finishing on first
Congratulations,
place.
Siddhant.
Congratulations, Siddhant.
Thanks,
Well
guys.
played.
Your performance was remarkable. The final round was very tough for both of you. Also, congratulations, Sneha, for making it to final round and becoming the runner-up.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, all of
Congratulations,
you.
Neha and
Amazing
Siddhant, for
performance.
being finalist.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys. It was a great quiz, man. The questions were really awesome. And
Properly
of course, the last parts were quite pressurizing.
Yeah.
Getting all three wrong in a row.
Actually, that was a surprise for me as well. But it's okay. Everything has an answer. So it's a quiz competition. Congratulations to the winner. You performed remarkably throughout the competition. The last few hours were very enjoyable for all of us. Finally, I would like to say few thankful words to all of you. Feeling grateful and hiding it. It's like wrapping a gift and not giving it. This quote means that take little time to say a few words of thankfulness. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this event. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our college management for their support. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Sudhir Savakar sir, for always supporting and believing in us. Without his support, this wouldn't have been possible. I also wish to express my gratitude for the volunteers for beautifully coordinating this event and also the coordinators who remain behind the curtains, and also without his contribution, this event could not have been successful. I also thank sir and ma'am for their precious presence in this contest. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all intelligent quizards for their enthusiastic participation throughout this competition. Thank you for showing interest in this event and making it a memorable one. This wouldn't have been possible without all of you. Amazing. I really appreciate all your presence, all your performance, and all your brains as well. Thanks a lot. With this, I officially announce and declare that this competition is over. And congratulations to all of you for your enthusiastic participation, and also congratulations to Siddhant for winning this competition. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Congrats, Siddhant.
Congratulations, Siddhant.
And
Thanks,
congratulations, Neha, for coming up runner-up.
Congratulations, Siddhant and Neha.
Congratulations, you all.
Congratulations to everyone. And Yash and Siddhi, you both have hosted very well. It was very awesome
Thank you, ma'am.
conduction, very well managed, very well conducted. And good to see the spirits of all of you, that you are so much aware of the current affairs and the knowledge and keeping yourself updated. Good job.
Can I have a minute?
Yes.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank all my parents and my friends for always talking about weird trivia stuff with me, because of which I was able to attempt those questions and come out on top. Also, I would thank myself, the past myself, for wasting my time rather than studying on Quora, reading weird stuff. And that's why it was possible. Also, thanks to Neha for not guessing it correctly in the last round.
Yes, of course.
I didn't know what I was going to do if there was one more time. And thanks to all the participants and the organizers as well. Thank you.
We really like the way you thanked everyone. Good.
Can I have a moment?
Yes, Neha.
I just want to thank everyone for arranging such beautiful events. Like, even though we are right now at our home, but you guys are still carrying out our college events and all. So that's a great work, and keep up with this. Thank you.
We are missing you actually, all the students. The college is missing you. We want you back soon.
So do we, ma'am.
But
It's
we all
mutual,
are also
ma'am.
interested to join back.
Ma'am, apart from our background coordinators, first of all, my co-leader Anushka Vaidya, she has also done a wonderful job for sorting
Yes.
of all the questions and handling the meetings very well. in spite of my absence. Also Jayesh Shinde, who made that possible of spinning the wheel and keeping track of the leaderboard. Also Rishikesh Vyavhare, Pratham, Deepesh, who are always in support with us. Also Ayush Singh, special thanks to him for arranging PPT and managing it so well. Thank you so much. Siddhi, excellent hosting. Keep it up.
Thank you. We thank you, Yash, as well for making us a part of this.
Well done, all of you. Well done. Well
Yes,
done.
yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Yash, for making us a part of this
Sure,
event.
sure,
Yes.
no problem. It's our last year. It's our pleasure.
And thank you to Vanshi as well. She is
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Manashri is
ma'am.
backbone.
Thank
We
you.
all say
She
that.
is not seen, but she's everywhere.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you,
Yes.
Vanashri, for the full support. Siddhi, excellent hosting. Way better than anyone had expected from the quiz that we are having right now online. Yash and whole volunteer team, thank you so much for being there at even 12 a.m. with such an enthusiasm. And thank you, ma'am, Prachi ma'am, Mahesh sir, Deshmukh sir, for
Always welcome.
letting us having this competition.
Okay, thank you all of you. Great job you are done, guys. Best luck. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Shall we leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I officially
Okay,
declare
bye.
that
Yes,
meeting
that
is
the
over.
contest has ended.
Yes.
It was a wonderful experience for all of
Yes,
us.
yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes.
Okay.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
And very, very lively performance by Yash and Siddhi.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am.
well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम वो ड्राई रन के बाद इम्प्रूव किया मैम.
क्या यश?
ड्राई रन हुआ था ना उसके बाद किया मैम इम्प्रूव.
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी ट्राई नहीं है. It is full of energy.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is full of energy. Good, very good. I am like day by day seeing all the improvements and all the mistakes you have overcome, whatever are the loopholes you all have overcome, and now you all are experts into it.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Very
so
good,
much.
Very good.
Thank you for guiding us at every
Always
point
there,
of time.
always there. Even I am also learning so many things. Technical part तो मैं कभी सीख पाऊँ कि नहीं मालूम नहीं. But yes, this is like all over to you. So much of technical team and सब अपने घर में बैठ के इतना बढ़िया मैनेज कर रहे हो. Good. You guys are rocking, man. Very good. चलो. Okay, shall we leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye. I am so happy to
ma'am.
see first year also here. Good. Dipesh, Ayush, Siddharth.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, despite of their
My first year
unit
student.
test, they have also managed
Huh?
very well. Despite
Yes.
of their unit test, they have also supported and managed very well.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Excellent
आज
response
CP
from
हुआ
first
परसों
year.
EG है फिर PC है बेचारे. Great. पढ़ते रहो और ये भी सब चालू रहने दो. ठीक है? चलो
Yes,
bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye,
Good
ma'am.
to see
Thank you.
first year
Bye,
civil also here. Very good. Happy.
Yes.